In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter products in WooCommerce so your customers can quickly find exactly what they need. This simple setup makes your shop easier to navigate and creates a much better shopping experience. Let's get started. Begin by going to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard. When you hover over it, you will see a menu appear. Click on Editor to open the tools you need to customize your shop layout. Once you're in the editor, open your shop page or the template connected to it. This is where we'll add the filters that make browsing your products much smoother. At the top left corner, you'll see a plus button. Click it to add new blocks. Use the search bar and look for the filter by price block. Adding this allows customers to browse products within their preferred budget range, which is especially helpful for people who shop with a specific price in mind. Next, search for the filter by attributes block. Attributes include things like color, size, material, or brand. If your store offers variations, this filter helps customers narrow down choices quickly based on what matters most to them. After that, add the filter by stock block. This option lets shoppers view only products that are currently available, helping them avoid items that are already out of stock. It keeps the entire shopping journey smooth and frustration-free. Finally, search for the filter by rating block. This gives customers the ability to sort products based on reviews and feedback, which can strongly influence buying decisions. Once you've added all the filters, place them in an easy to access spot such as a sidebar or the top area of your shop page. When everything looks right, make sure you save your layout so the changes appear live on your store. And that's all it takes. With these filters added, your WooCommerce shop becomes cleaner, easier to browse, and much more user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.